Okay, so we're on a roof in Odenton, Maryland doing an inspection. The homeowner has complained about a leak in the back of the house. And we're going to take a look. That usually turns out to be a pipe collar. The first thing we notice is the ridge vent's coming loose a little bit, so we'll tighten that up and seal it. And there's our two pipe collars. And sure enough, there's a leak right there. We'll seal this bathroom fan. Also take care of that right there. And here's the other one. Yep, there we go. That's pretty decisive. Here's a nail pop. We'll leave that alone for now. So that's it. There's not much to getting this one back up and running. While we're up here, we'll tighten all the gutters. Make sure they're nice and clean. So that's it for this one. Stay tuned.